Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest gadgets hitting the market.
Today, we've got something truly special in the lab,
the Endgame Gear XM2WE gaming mouse.
Now, this little guy has been making waves, promising top-tier performance without breaking the bank.
But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out. First off, let's talk design.
The XM2WE boasts a sleek and ergonomic chassis, available in both black and white variants.
Its non-slip matte finish ensures a firm grip even during the most intense gaming sessions.
Plus, those subtle decorative grooves? They're not just for show, they help in keeping the house clean and grime-free.
Now, what sets this mouse apart is its comfort and performance.
With a weight of just 2.22 ounces and a perfectly contoured shape, it's an absolute dream to use, especially for claw grip enthusiasts like myself.
And let me tell you, those PTFE skates?
They provide an unbelievably smooth glide, making every movement feel effortless. In terms of buttons, the XM2WE keeps it simple yet effective. You've got 5 programmable buttons on top, along with an extra one tucked neatly underneath for DPI adjustments.
And speaking of adjustments, the Endgame Gear software lets you fine-tune everything to your liking, from polling rates to liftoff distance.
But let's get down to brass tacks. How does it perform? Well, with a PixArt PA 3370 sensor under the hood, this mouse delivers pinpoint accuracy and responsiveness. Whether you're fragging out in Valorant or grinding through Diablo 4, the XM2WE keeps up with every flick shot and headshot with ease.
Now, one area where the XM2WE truly shines is battery life. Sporting a 410 mAh battery, it's built to last.
Endgame Gear claims a week of gameplay on a single charge, and while I didn't quite hit that mark, I still got nearly 2 weeks of use before needing to plug it in.
Plus, with no unnecessary RGB lighting, you won't be draining power unnecessarily. So, is the Endgame Gear XM2WE worth your hard-earned cash? Absolutely.
With its top-notch performance, ergonomic design, and impressive battery life, it's a gaming mouse that punches well above its weight. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive pro, the XM2WE is a solid choice that won't disappoint.
And that's a wrap for today, folks. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth critiques of the hottest tech on the market. Until next time, happy gaming!